Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Tumblr pins. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Melissa. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So let's get straight on to this video. So I'm going to show you two ways. One, which is regular shrink plastic, and the other is using items that you probably have lying around at home. So you can use any plastic with the recycling number 6. I'm pretty sure this is the only plastic that actually shrinks in the oven. So I found these on the lids of cups, cake boxes, fruit boxes, and so much more. Here I'm just drawing some images, and the diamond one will be the one that I test the recycling number 6 plastic on. Take your shrink plastic and you're gonna draw on the rough side. There's two sides, a shiny side and a rough side. I recommend actually reversing your image because the shiny side is the front and you need to flip it over. Then outline and color in. You wanna outline first, then color it in, because when you flip it over, that's what it's gonna look like. You can use Sharpies, coloring pencils, etc. Also, color them in a shade lighter than you actually want it, because when it shrinks, the color will darken.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Then cut them out. You can leave a border if you like.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Next, place down some baking paper and preheat your oven. Then place the plastic rough side up, shiny side down into the oven, and within 2 to 3 minutes it will curl up and shrink. It will flatten out on its own, so don't worry if it's taken a while to flatten out. Then take it out and use a glass cup to flatten it out. This friend's one is quite long and ended up sticking in the oven, so I separated it. Be careful because it's really hot.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
here they are out of the oven. They are really nice and strong. So with the Friends one, when you flip it over with the shiny side, the writing is reversed. So reverse your image from the beginning. If not, you will see that later on, I used a clear coat to fix it. If you want, you can attach a pin or something like a keychain, and you're pretty much done. So here I'm just putting the clear coat, and it worked out pretty great. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, thank you so much, we just hit 2.5k subs. You guys are so amazing. But yeah, bye!